Hey everyone! So, we are over at a place you probably recognize from the background. Look who it is!
Hi!
Well, I'm cutting rocks. They're doing paint pours and painting, and it looks so good. Like, look at that. Look at that mountain. It's coming so nice. Alexis is just getting started.
Yes.
So while they're doing this, I'm going to be over here cutting rocks. I'll probably paint too, honestly. It looks like fun. So, I am jealous. We've got this right here, which I'm super excited about. This is actually a big piece of Ammonite, and I think that's going to look awesome, I think. Green sheen Obsidian, which I'm not sure if we'll get to. I just brought it with just in case. This is super dark, so I have no idea what to take from this, but I think it's going to be really nice. It's actually a Montana agate. No idea what to expect from that one. Another Montana agate. This is a weird one that Alexis found.
You're weird.
I know. And I cannot really see into it at all. So this is another one of those ones that I don't know what to expect. Really nice agate right here. I think that one's going to be just gorgeous. Cannot wait to get in there. And then this one we found in a recent video, semi-recent video. It's a really nice big agate, but I'm looking at the bands in there. I'm thinking this is probably going to have some iris. We will find out though. And then this, backed by popular demand from a video in like September, I think. This is a weird rock. This is actually like a chert petrified wood amalgamation. And I don't know what to expect, but I think it should make some really, really cool slabs. So, all right, what should we start with? Let's start with the Ammonite, actually. I think we're gonna start with this one. I'm gonna load it up. All right, we've got it loaded up. I'm hoping it doesn't come out. I think it's like perfect angle-wise. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, I just heard the clunk and I'm super excited. I think it's gonna be awesome. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. That looks crazy. Wow. Okay. That's freaking cool, man. Wow. Okay, I love that. That's so cool. Let's check out the other side. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is amazing. That is so cool. Wow. Well, I'm really happy we started with this one because that's amazing. The back side. That side. And then here's the other side. That's just so cool. And this side actually has Ammonite on it, which I did not realize. So we're definitely going to polish that. Wow. Oh, I want to see something. One sec. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is what I wanted to see. It fluoresces. That's weird though. The calcite, the brown calcite fluoresces like orange. Wow. All right, well, I'm happy about that one. That is awesome. Also, Alexis just finished her first paint pour. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I love it. All right, which one should we do next? Kind of leaning toward this one. Just because this is very much an unknown. I have no idea what to expect from this, but you get a light on it. It's got nice clear pockets up here. There's moss down here. I think it'll be good. I don't know. Let's load it up. Alrighty, let's see what we get. I honestly have no freaking clue what to expect from this one. Okay, it just came out. I just heard the clunk and turned it off. So, let us take a look, and I'm gonna quote Agate and see if we have a stud or a dud. Oh my gosh. Whoa! It's really good. I was not expecting that. It's really not like a typical Montana moss agate, but look at all of the moss in there. Good find, Alexis. I doubt she even remembers this rock.
I don't know which one specifically to reference.
That's how it is with like half the rocks she finds. I'm like, this is amazing. And she's like, I don't even remember finding that. Yeah, I mean, considering what this looked like on the outside, That is way, way cooler than I was expecting. That's really mossy. Sweet. Well, I guess we can call that one a stud. That is really pretty. Wow. So blue and mossy. Dang, that's gorgeous. We're gonna give Drogon a break after that big hard rock and cut this piece of obsidian. This is green sheen obsidian that was sent to me by my buddy, World of Rockhounds. And this is just beautiful. It may just look like a black lump at the moment, but this is really pretty green sheen. So, let's cut it. Alexis is getting me set up.
You told me to watch the video, so I am. Hi.
Alexis
Is my war paint on?
Yeah, you got rid of it. Do I have any still?
What? I listened to
Oh
you.
yeah, wow. I'm gonna redo that. I just showed a picture on Google and I don't know how that copyright works. Anyway, so Alexis had a cool idea for me to do, and we're gonna make a thermal pot.
You should watch this.
I literally zoomed in on the picture on Google and I'm like, wait a minute, I don't have the copyright for that. All right guys, it just came out and oh my gosh, I am so excited. All right, so here's the piece right here. Get the light on it. Let's see, what angle was it at? If I can get it to cooperate. There we go, there it is. Man, you have to angle it like just perfectly. But it has a beautiful face of color. But actually, that's not the reason I'm excited. I'll show you in just a moment. Come on, flare. There we go. That is so pretty. Then I took the other part out of the clamp. And oh my gosh, I think I have fire obsidian. Do you see that?
Oh my goodness.
That's not a like rainbow from a fracture. Like you can see it's actually a layer. What? All right, I sent a picture and a video of this to World of Rockhounds because Kyle is the fire obsidian extraordinaire. So when he gets back to me, I'll let you guys know if this is or not, because I really think it is. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
It's a go.
I'm so happy right now. All right, I'm gonna go do my paint pour. But first, let's decide what rock we're gonna cut. I think we're gonna do this one. This is such a weird rock. I don't know what to make of this, but I think it's gonna be really cool. So, let's load it up. All right, everyone, this is my first paint pour, so wish me luck. I have good tutelage from Montana Rock Bomb and Alexis, who is also doing her first paint pours. So
I was like, don't do it.
she's one more than I am so far, though. So that means she has exactly one painting more experience than me. Okay, it's done. Let's see what we got. Whoa! That is so cool looking. Wow. Looks like it chipped a little bit right here, but that's fine.
I found that.
You weren't even with me.
I didn't know what rock it was.
That is really cool though. You can see the wood grain in there, like broken up by all the chert. That is really cool. I like it. Let's get the other side out. Here's the other side, getting up a little closer for you guys. You can really see the wood grain when you get up close. That is so bizarre. Going in like all different directions. That is a really unique piece right there. I like it. All right, we gotta do this one now. This is, the curiosity's getting the best of me. I am so excited about this one. I found this one in a recent video, link in the description. And I am so hopeful for iris. I really think this is gonna have iris. So you get up close. One second, let me get some oil on it. You get up close and look at the bands in here. That is what you wanna see. And it has those throughout literally the whole stone, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's find out. All right, guys, so I got a heel cut off. That looks really, really good. And then I cut one slab, which again, looks really, really good. Seeing some irisy signs in there, so that's exciting. But I want to get a slab off of the main face, so I'm going to rotate it, do another one. Alexis's paint cut. Oh, that's, oh. Well, everyone, I got good news and bad news. Good news, that agate is absolutely fantastic, and I am super excited about it. Bad news, I think we stuffed Drogon. He has feasted too much. That's, you know, probably because we haven't exactly been cutting small rocks today. They've all been fairly large and dense. So unfortunately, we did not get all the way through, but it is too warm to keep working it. So I guess this is what we get today, and that is just fine. I'm gonna show you guys all the other ones in just a sec. This one Alexis just did. Oh God, I'm falling.
Oh no, my thumb's in it. Oh gosh, oh man.
Actually, it will work better over there because there's a big glare on it.
You're a glare.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Thanks, I guess. So yeah, Drogon stopped cutting halfway through this rock because it was getting hot. But man, this is gonna be so pretty. That is like such a tantalizing little window into that agate. Oh my gosh, look at the bands. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty.
Is it, Theo?
It's gonna be amazing, Alexis. Thank you for checking in.
You're welcome. Here to help.
That is so, so cool. So, obviously have to come back and cut the rest of this at some point. I would love to get a slab off of that because that is absolutely amazing. And I guess we'll have to wait to cut this one another day, which is honestly fine because this is such a weird agate. I don't know what way I want to come in and cut this one. It's just strange. And these two are small enough that we can cut it on my saw whenever my blade gets here. So yeah, that's nothing too bad. I am really excited that we got through those ones today though. Those came out so nice. Look at these hands. There's a rainbow inside these hands. She's gonna have fun peeling that off for the next 2 days. I wanted to show you guys this. Look at what Kim just painted.
Nice, snowy, Christmassy
It looks so good.
painting.
It looks so good. Seriously. Great job. I love the shadow on the mountain. That looks so good. All right, and here are the paint pours that we did. Alexis just did this one. That is so pretty. I love it. Kim did this one, and I love it. Look at that. It looks like a flower. That black background is so stark. I really enjoy that. Then that was the first one that Alexis did. And that pattern is just crazy cool. I love it. That scaly pattern.
So good.
I love that this one is Alexis's very first paint pour because that looks so freaking good.
Yeah,
I love it. And then this is the one I did, which I think it came out good. I didn't do exactly what I wanted, but I do really love the colors and the way they mesh together. Probably gonna go back around the outside and actually paint that later once it's dry. Some ground texture so that it looks more like a hot pot. I'm happy with it though.
Oh yeah, you could paint.
Yeah, paint the rest of it after it's done.
Oh yeah, that'll look cool.
Alright guys, oh my gosh, I forgot I still have paint on my cheek. Thank you for that, Alexis. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this one. That was fun doing some painting while we waited for rocks to cut. And I'm super, super, super happy with these. This one is so much nicer than I was expecting. We will definitely be revisiting this rock, and I mean, you can't really beat a big slabbed ammonite. That is just amazing. So cool. But yeah, let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments. Mine would probably be the ammonite, if I'm being honest. I'll have links to various stuffs up in the description. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one. Huge shout outs to Kim for letting us come hang out. And here's hoping we can do it again soon.
My favorite rock was the one that you cut that apparently I found.
That was the one I was just pointing out. That's this one. Alexis found that. This is the weirdest way to end a video. Well,
It's not actually my favorite rock. I just picked it.
yeah. All right, bye.